everybody, welcome back to Ryker Rydes. Every once in a while, I find a product that could potentially be life-changing for me as a rider. And I think this product is it. It is called Glacier Tek. It is a vest you can wear while riding on your bike, and it keeps you cool. I'm just beyond excited about this. So let me show you what's in the box, and then I'll take it out for a test drive. So as everyone knows, my biggest complaint about living in South Florida is how hot it is in the summer. We're talking about 107 degrees on a daily basis in the summer, and that's with the heat index. So it is hot, it is humid, it is disgusting, and I really haven't been riding that much because of it. So I've been looking far and wide for a vest that's from a company that's been around for a little bit, from a company that has good reviews, and I just wanted something that I thought was really a solid product. And I found Glacier Tek. So let's open the box and see what's in it. Oh, it's pretty. Look how nice this is. So it comes with a cool sticker and directions on how to use it. It's actually quite simple from what I've read. You have inserts, and they give you a little bag, and in the bag is your pouches that are going to go in the freezer. I think the directions are if you put them in the freezer, it just takes an hour to cool down enough so you can wear it. Or I think you could put it in a bowl of icy water, and then it takes 30 minutes to cool down if you're looking to rush the process a little bit. Or if you have time, you just throw it in the refrigerator, and it takes 2 hours, I believe, to get back down to the core temperature of what you want it to be. So they cool down to 69 degrees. So this is what comes in the package. And let me show you the vest. This is a size small, which is for me. I am 5'3", and I weigh, I'm gonna say 119, and this vest fits me perfectly in a small. So you do want it to be, you don't want it to be loose. You want the ice packs to be on you. So you want it to be, I look weird. So you want it to be against you. You don't want it to be baggy. So it should be a little tight fitting. So here's what the vest looks like. The material is stretchy. It reminds me of almost like a bathing suit, of a woman's bathing suit material. So it kind of has that same feeling of a woman's bathing suit. So this is what it comes with. It comes in this particular, so at Glacier Tek, I'll put the website obviously below. It's glaciertek.com, I believe. And it is, it comes in, I think, 4 different colors. So blue, I got blue, it matches my bike. It comes in black, tan, and a silver gray color. And they also have a slew of other variations of the vest. So if you don't like this particular style and you want something that's more adjustable, they have a lot of different versions. And so it comes with it. This is really cool. The zipper is a very high quality zipper. It seems silly, but I've had products that have such a flimsy zipper that I just don't enjoy it. So I just don't like using it. I feel like I'm gonna break it. This is like heavy duty zipper to start with. So the material feels really nice, like it would last. And so you open it up, and it has 12 pockets in there for your pouches to go into. And then when you put on the vest, the pouches lay against your back. There's 6 on the back and then 6 on the front. So it is just, I'll zip it up with this and just show you real quick. So it lays against you. When the ice packs are in it, it's gonna weigh approximately 5 pounds and 3 ounces. So it does have a little bit of weight to it. but you know, you're putting ice packs in your body. So to me, it is worth it to be able to ride in the summertime. So it takes an hour for it to cool. So I just threw my ice packs in the freezer. I'll see you in an hour. We'll put it in the vest together, and then I'll take you for a ride with me to see if it actually works. I'll be out for about 2 hours, and we'll see how it goes. Good. You want to lay them flat, so they go flat in you. So let's grab these. Okay. This is how easy it is to put these ice packs in. You obviously want to put it in right before you go on a ride, and they just kind of slide in there. You got to work it a little bit. It's going to be a tight fit. They actually go in quite easily. Okay, so I've got the 12 ice packs in. Oh, hold on. Oh, next one. Now I've got the 12 ice packs in. So, you can tell it's gonna be heavy to put on. Let's see. Yeah, 5 pounds. Again, this is the small. Oh, it feels good. Oh my God. I hope this works as well as I think it's gonna work. It's not wet, it's not, it just feels great. Like, I like doing these videos. I like unpacking it and unboxing it right when I'm with you. I don't do a test run. I don't try it on and then come back and do the video. Everything I'm doing is kind of live as you see it. So now I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna bring my GoPro with me. I'm gonna take it out and bring you guys on the highway. And it is hot today, really hot. So hopefully this helps. I'll let you know. See you on the road. Okay, so here's my test ride for this Glacier Tek vest. Okay, first impressions. I am loving this. It feels really nice. Even at highway speeds in Florida, it just really feels like a blow dryer's on you. So you don't get much relief, going 75, 80 miles an hour. The real key for this vest is when you're doing city driving, you have to stop at stoplights, and that's really just brutal. But even on the highway now, it just feels nice. I definitely feel, I don't feel cold like I'm shivering, but I definitely feel like my core is very cool. And that's exactly the purpose of the vest, to bring down your core temperature. All right, I'm gonna turn it off now, and I'm gonna catch you guys later. Hi there. I just got off the bike and just had an amazing ride, but it was crazy, crazy hot. So I was very happy to have this Glacier Tek cooling vest. But here's my official review on the vest. It had a hard time keeping up with the Florida heat, but it did a great job for the first hour. I think on the website it said it's supposed to keep it cool for a good 2.5 hours, but I think it really only lasted, it really kept me cool for an hour. But this is, to me, extreme conditions. I don't think the rest of the country, the rest of the world has the extreme conditions that I'm in South Florida. So I'm not knocking the vest, because I would buy this again, and I am very happy that I purchased it. I'm not planning on returning it. And I think it worked well for me, but that was my main problem, is it didn't last as long as I needed it to. But there's ways to solve that problem, which is why I love this product. So they have extra packs that you can buy. So you can buy replacement packs and just take these with you. Keep it, over ice in your luggage compartment. And then when you stop for lunch, you just swap out the packs and they're still frozen because you've kept them on ice, and then you've doubled the length of your vest. The other option is if you don't want to buy the extra packs, you take the packs out wherever you are and you just get like a big bag of ice and you throw the packs in the bag of ice, and while you're eating lunch, it sits there for 30 minutes and it recharges and it's good to go. So those are different options. That's what I've learned from my riding experience here. But I think if you're using it in normal conditions where the temperature is like 90 degrees instead of 107 with the sun and the wind on you. So I think in other conditions it probably lasts longer, but it was tough on the jacket for sure. Glacier Tek also sells a product called booster packs. And these booster packs, I'm very interested to try these. So I might actually get these, try them and come back and do a follow-up review. They have booster packs that extend the life of these packs to make it actually stay colder longer. And I think that's probably the way I'm gonna have to go, because swapping them out in between a ride is a little bit difficult sometimes, especially if on a group ride. So I might get the booster packs. And another really cool thing that they have, if you're checking out their website, they have a cooling cushion. And I was trying to think of, you know what I'm talking about. Your butt gets hot when you ride. You're right over the exhaust. It's just a thing. It's just gross, but it's a thing. So they sell a thing called a cooling cushion. And the cooling cushion is kind of similar to this, but it's kind of shaped differently. And I'm wondering how to put it on your seat where it would work. So I have an AirHawk seat cushion, and I'm wondering if I got the cooling cushion, if I could slide it into my AirHawk and how comfortable it would be on the ride. So I'm kind of curious about that product too. So they've got some great stuff on there. So the products are expensive, just kind of a heads up before you get on their website. But I'm also a firm believer you get what you pay for. There are some very cheap vests out there, versions of this, that's, maybe it'll last 20 minutes, that'd be cool. So you're paying for this extra technology that's in the Glacier packs that makes it last, it's supposed to be 2.5 hours, but even if it lasts an hour of keeping your whole body, your core cool while you're riding, it was awesome. So I am going to post all the links below, and I'm also going to post a link to this cool shirt that I got. I'm all about having materials and things that are helpful to keeping me cool. That's like my #1 priority here. I get dehydrated very quickly. So this is by Columbia. And if you notice from my previous videos, I had issues with the sleeves coming up. So now these have holes for the thumbs. And it has, I don't know if you can tell, yeah, there you go. It has this like wet look to it, and it's supposed to help reflect the sun. I used it, I was still hot in it. I don't know if it's just a gimmick or what, but it's very thin, and it has that UPF material to keep the sun off. So I like it. I'll throw that link on there too. Any questions, any comments, throw them down below, and I'll be happy to answer. Stay well, stay happy, stay safe, ride on.